Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to rescue of any Gmail password even if you don't have the recovery email and recovery phones. This site has been recommended especially by this viewer who has lost his device especially yesterday. Now he has recommended to the rescue because he is unable to the rescue of this Gmail password because of now he doesn't have recovery email and recovery phone so easily he can. So by a common method he endeavored, of course he attempted too much, but of course he was not able to, especially not in positions to the rescue of it. So now we would like to the rescue of this idea. Let's see, but don't worry, similar strategy you can apply if you're having this kind of the problem that you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone. However, you would like to the rescue that, and saying that you did not provide enough informations. That's this account is really error. So if you would like to secure this account, so then answer these questions on seconds as the family alternative means. So both option one in the given, two option one is being the given by especially Google. In that condition, don't worry, you will have the multiple options to the rescue of your email by providing sufficient information. Here is a clue that you did not provide. So we will see live in this tutorial. Let's learn the proper way, and of course take any smartphone, apply the similar strategy, and of course you will see that what kind of the corollary and magically how easily this idea is going to recover. Just simply we will cut it from here and we will have to come in a Play Store. In the Play Store you will have the one browser that is it's the name of Fiery browser. Scarcely it's a size less than 20 MB guys, so quickly it will be recovered. So let's see, Fiery, Fiery, and of course we will tap on here. Now see, yes, we have the click to the install, so it has started to install. On the other hand, two changes are very essential. Take your smartphones and upon scan how the browser is functioning. So firstly we will attack on a Google browser. We'll come on especially these icons, that is a app info, and of course on there we will come on a notifications too. Of course we will tap on here to next, and upon what we will do guys here, after blocking it, of course we will tap on here the permission. In the permission, of course we will have options that's locations to other, make it the precise location of. So navigation will not be easy, yes, by the Googles, that this ID is especially linked to the particular any especially device. Now here we will go for don't allow anyway. So now it has been especially done. Now we will come the back here, and after backing, so check it out, unused apps, and that is especially now blocked. Yes, we have disabled, so we will come the set as a default. We will tap on here and we'll clear 4-5 times and let it especially disable of these things. So we have done everything from here on this browser. Now once again, as we know that Chrome is this is also the product of especially Google, so we'll go with a similar step. So notification is allowed guys, so make it the blocks too especially off, and upon of course we will back and we will come sorry 2 times, so that we have dance a little bit device has a response, but of course delay. That's why actually I clicked the multiple. So the once again we will come the it's a blocked, so they will come the permissions to free up the space is already off. So just we will come the locations to we'll go for make the precise location off, and then click here don't allow anyway, so no longer the function is intended. This browser, yes, changes that also I have completed. Now they will come here to the open, so this Fiery browser directly you can especially open from the Play Store also, and you can directly. So now we have to nothing, just we will have to write here Google. Sorry, just let me see. Yes, we will pick this one and we will go for next. So when we tap to the next dance, now the directly will be on here. Yeah, the corner we will tap on here to the shining. In shining here, just to simply we will write especially this. Yes, and I to we will go for next, and let's see what's going to happen here. He's asking password also. We'll go for forgot password guys. Let's see. Yes, here is asking especially device, and that is actually yes locked with the especially we don't have, so just we'll go for try another way, and when we tap on it try another way. Now here it's a verified ID guys, just to see This is Google is essentially sending last one five digit number of mobile number. We don't have the mobile number right now, so also especially we cannot text or not we can call on this number. So just we will tap on a don't have. So when we tap on a don't have, so then see here, here is essentially the motives to the rest of this ID. One, second option is managing alternative accounts, and third one, use a device where we have the sign in before, you have the sign in the before, and fifth one is officially answer as many questions as you can. Everything we will quit and we will go for attempt to ask you via more option. How it is possible? Don't click on a triangle, otherwise this account would be a freeze. That the Google will track Islam the tracks so that I score these accounts via different browsers. So this is not easy task, but of course we'll picture this more tips to other score this account, but not from here. Just we will cut it from here. We have attempted keep it on here, and just simply we will come in especially setting of your device. Yes, go in the inside of your device, and upon after coming the setting you will have option Google services and preferences option. We'll tap on it, and upon tapping on it we'll go the inside of the help option. In the help option there, what will happen guys here, we'll have option here. Just simply we'll have to write that's this side smartly we will have to play that hacked right here, hacked Gmail recovery. So when we tap on here we will have one option here, that is just wait guys here. Yes, we will have to wait here. Now, secure or hacked or compromised accounts. In this one, we will have to pick limits and everything, guys. By easy, this option that we can the risk of ads. Now, here we will have especially review your account activities. Here, this one taps. So you will have option that select the yes if you still believe that someone else is using your account. So find out if your account has been hacked. Yes, this account has been hacked. So we will have to tap on here. So now, yes, it has been clicked on here. These tips can help to the risk of this account. Sure. Now we will come on here and see what if I still can't sign in. Create a replacement Google account. Second is avoid getting logged out of your Gmail accounts or Google accounts. If both option is coming except no one other option is coming, means now we are totally compelled to the create the replacement account or the avoid getting of Gmail account. So now what we will do, just simply on this arrow last it is one option, so just we will tap on it, and when we taps then directly we would be in a recovery phase. Just when we taps then yes, just let me tap on here. Now see here, just we will have to write here that's particular ID, and this ID can finally here. Now directly you can tap it also. Just we will go for click on an X and let's see what's going to results. Now the welcome backs. Now this side quickly has been the recovered. Now what you see, the without having the recovery email, the recovery phones, everything is in dustbin. Now it has been come back. Now what we will do here, don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify you options. In that condition you will have a problem. The problem is that here, yes, you don't have the recovery phone number so that you can go for continue, because OTP would be generated there. So directly we can go for update. When we tap on here, here is now we have a strong opportunity to create the strong password, confirm password, and go for save it. When we save it, then what will happen, guys? Yes, you can easily access of the Google account management sector, and after going there, of course, firstly we will add alternative email by alternative email addings. After that you can remove the recovery phone number and we can add a new phone number, and after adding then this side will be permanent secures. These things we cannot show you in this procedure, guys, further, because it's a data concern of my viewer. There's a lot of the photos etc etc these things. So after yes we have the rescue. So after creating this password, and because it's a live screen, guys, so after making our off especially we will, after creating and changing these things, of course I will deliver to my audience, deliver to my viewers. So this is all about in this tutorials. Yes, if you don't have any problems to disclose your ID on these channels, and then you can drop your email in the comments box. I will pick and of course rescue. After rescue, of course we will deliver to you. But of course you don't have any objections then, and if you are available, you if you are yes able to execute this similar status, then apply it and of course go for it. So because we have the customize of the precise location along the PC setup and etc these things, so it is very easily store the risk of this. But of course from side I don't know the what kind of the navigation error or especially anything is happening and that condition to have the blanks that you are unable to do that, then you can drop your email. So this is all about guys and how to like this tutorial. Don't forget leave the feedback below the comment box. So thank you for watching Technology Well. Have a great time. Bye bye.